And this is our main chef, Sid. Cooking our lunch. Sid is paid. How much? $1 an hour. He works very good.
Been on the fucking computer too long.
Yeah, man, definitely. Wow, man.
Should have taken the photo before I claimed.
Yeah, I did. I'm not taking a photos, man. I'm just taking a video, you know.
The master chef at work.
The master chef at work, you know. If we have any plans to open Indian restaurants somewhere in Serbia, we need to know which one to
Just
go.
let me know, I'll get some guys to work for you.
So, Sid, are you used to having this kind of bad conversations with your boss, huh?
Which boss? I'm the boss.
Me, of course. Bloody oil.
Oh, you do put some oil.